Hey guys, it's your boy Venom Blades, back with the final part to the Unanchored Reaches mod pack. In this video, I will go over step by step on how to download the loader and the mods. Let's get started. First, you're going to open up your Google and search for R2modman download. Come up to the screen here. The top selection is going to be R2modman / Thunderstore. You're going to click on that. All right, once you're on this screen here, you're going to click on manual download. Now, once that's done downloading here, you're gonna hit open file. And you'll come to this screen right here. All right, so you're gonna have the exe file. And you're also going to extract all these. All right, so once you find your destination, if you just want to go to your basic C drive, or if you have multiple drives like myself, you'll find your drive that you want to install them on. I've already got this downloaded, so I'm not going to go any farther. All right, once you extract the file, you're going to come up with a blue screen saying Windows protected your computer. At the bottom of it, the text there, you're going to see where it says more info. Click that. Next, you will see run anyway. Click that again, and then hit the install button. All right, once you're done that, you're going to come up with this screen right here. This one's very easy, nice and organized for your selections. So where you're going to start is create new. You're going to name it. All right, so once you're named, you hit select profile. Now on here, you're going to see the start modded, start vanilla, installed online. You're going to click on online. And here you're going to search for Unanchored. Unanchored Reaches right there. You're going to do that, and then you're going to download. So the current version right now is 2.5.1. Download with dependencies. And you're going to let this just do its thing. Don't be in a rush. It'll do its thing. Once all the mods are downloaded, you will see them show up in the installed section here. It just takes a few minutes. So installed. Waiting for them to populate. There they are. All right, so the current version, you're going to see 76 mods in download. Now, a big thing, if you are going to join the Unanchored Reaches server, you never update the mods. That's because every person in the server has to have the same mods, or you will not be able to connect. The moderators of the server will let us know in the Discord when we can actually go in and update the new version that they've put together. So if you do have questions, if you're just playing this like this on your regular game, go ahead and update them. But if you're coming to this, if you're gonna come play on the PvP server, make sure you never update these. All right, now that that's all done, you're going to click start modded. And the game will come up here in a brief second. Okay, almost done. All right, you're gonna get your Weapon X page. This is just your mod uploader. So let's zoom that over here for a second. All right, the first time you upload the mod pack, it is gonna take a few minutes to load the game up. This is normal, so be expecting that. This takes a minute to upload all the mods into your game. So if you haven't seen what's all in the mod pack, make sure you check out the other part 1 and part 2 of the videos, and make sure you hit subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel, and it would be greatly appreciated from anyone to grow just a little bit more. So it's almost done. Like I said, it takes a few minutes. We're coming up to the load screen here. Once you see the Valheim backdrop here, the main game screen, you know you're done your loading. All right, let's head over here. All right, so here we are. So it's the same main loader, except for one difference. At the top left, you're going to see a quick connect button. It'll say choose a server, Unanchored reaches. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click that button. It's going to connect you to the server. Now, if you're first time into the server, make sure you hit new for a new character. Rename your character and then hit done. Once that's done, you're gonna hit start and you're into the server. Now, if you're coming back with like you want to play this on your single player account, you're going to go to your original character, which is this one here. Then obviously you're gonna hit start and select your server or your where your game is saved, and it launch. It's that easy. Do want to go back and watch the other 2 videos though. I will give you details on what is all included in the pack itself. And then if there's any questions, make sure you leave a comment, and I'll get back. I'll answer all the comments there for you guys. And other than that, we'll leave it at that. And until then, until next video, happy gaming.